how to change Twitter password. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Open the X app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, click on Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Once you are inside the setting page, tap on your account. Is usually listed right at the top. Within this section, you will see an option labeled Change Your Password. Simply click on it to continue. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your current password first. After that, enter your new password. For better security, choose a password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters. Then confirm it by typing it again. Once done, hit on the Update Password button to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your password has now been successfully updated on Twitter.